Okay, quick little shop update. The little C10, the 72, we got the nose off it, engine out of it, box off it, welding away. Now, we have a very good guy in town here. His name is Blair. I don't know what he calls his shop. I don't think he calls his shop anything. He's just known by the name of Blair. He built this whole, he did all that custom fabrication on this framework here. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful, everything he's done. You can see down in there where the stock frame is and where he's joined all this on. This guy just does phenomenal work. Hey, if you're a Fraser Valley person, you know where Hot Rods and Classics is, where you buy all the parts. So he's right in behind there. And he's the guy to talk to. Does race cars, bodies, does everything. Alignments, you say, you name it. Can't think what to tell you. But anyway, so that's all blown apart. Here's the box for it right here. Like, look at these wheel tubs here. We're doing some welding on it right now, finishing it off. A few things that never got finished that we knew about. Look how he's installed the air tank and the compressor tank. This is the forward, the front half of the box here. He's installed all that, hidden. Very nice. Back in here you can see these braces. This is for the fuel tank to go in. And then it fills, you open the tailgate up. If you can visualize this, you open the tailgate up top there, if the box is laying down flat, and that's your filler. So it's hidden behind the tailgate. Awesome job. Chris is working away on the 73 CUDA. The owner's got all the suspension with us here today, all the Hotchkiss stuff. Subframe is ready tomorrow from powder coating, blasting powder coating along with the diff. Chris has got the new leafs in back there. Get around here and get a better look. There's the leaf springs, got all the new stainless steel fuel lines, brake lines, all the goodies going on. Gas tank straps, gas tank is laying around somewhere. There's the gas tank right over there. Looking good. I did the texture spray underneath here. Turned out beautiful. This is a very nice product. You can wash it, you can clean it, it looks good, and it's durable. So that's all the owner was going for on this. Some people get carried away and want to paint the car underneath. You'd put it on a rotisserie then, spin it on its side, and you'd paint it. But I would say 90% of my customers just do it with the texture spray like this, because that way it's black, it hides the dirt, and my customers drive their cars. They're not garage queens. Sure, they may spend a lot of money doing them like this, frame off, but they drive them. Ain't no hoity-toity, hide it in the garage and sit around and drink beer and talk about how much horsepower it's got, yet it never leaves the fucking shop because there's a cloud out there and a chance of rain. Or maybe there's a piece of bubble gum on the road behind it and the owner's afraid to get some bubble gum stuck on his tire. 800 horsepower and the guy won't even do a burnout because he's afraid to get a little rubber on his quarter panels. Yeah, you know those guys. You know, the gold chainers, the white sunglasses, they're wearing their hats backwards. Those guys. Yeah, don't come around OTG, we don't like you. My guys drive their cars, build their cars, and that's what they do. So there we go. Chris is plugging away on the CUDA. It's coming along. It's looking good. That's about it. Don't know what else to show you. Anyway, it's a quick little video for you, a little update, show you what's going on. Remember, hey, it's always good time at old time, and we'll see you next time.